Hi friends, welcome to our plantain plantation. Today I'm going to show you how we planted 648 plantain suckers on just 1 acre of land from the very first marking to the last sucker in the ground. Let's go. So we start here measuring and marking the land. This is one of the most important steps. Proper spacing makes a big difference in how your plant grows. We'll be using 2.5 meter by 2.5 meter spacing, which gives each plant enough room to grow healthy without competing for space. Now here is our stock, 648 healthy suckers. Every single one of these suckers you are looking at here was carefully picked, so it's disease free and ready to grow strong. Good planting starts with good suckers. And here is the fun part. Planting each suckers goes right into the marked hole. Roots covered nicely with soil, as you see they are doing here, but getting it right means a stronger plant and a better harvest. In just about 8 to 10 months, this little plant will be producing sweet, healthy plantains. Plantain farming is rewarding, it's profitable, and with the right planning, anyone can do it. So are you ready to start your own plantation farming? If you are looking for where to get your suckers, you can reach out to us. The comment section is there. Feel free to drop your opinion, and I'll be dropping my number in the comment section, so you can reach out to me if you are looking for where to get these plantain suckers, or if you are interested in going into your own plantain farming. Don't forget, farming is the future.